Hey guys, backyard scrapping here. I know y'all haven't seen me on for a little while, and I guess if you watched my last video, you know that I had to have surgery. Well, that has taken place. I actually had the surgery this past Monday. I had some tests done and whatever, and that they saw what they thought was what's called an inguinal hernia. It's where there's a gap in your pelvis or whatever where there's a thin lining of muscle, and your intestine pushes through that from straining or whatever. I don't know if that's a regular. I don't know nothing about it. All I know is that's what they told me. But as it comes to find out, when he got in there and got to looking around, it was primarily on my left side. That one my abdomen had torn enough that actually the sigmoid colon, or the big S part of your colon, actually pushed through the tear. So it was a pretty good rip. And then come to find out, when he was in there, there was also one on the right side. So what was supposed to be a small little repair on the left side ended up being like I guess you'd call it a patch you put in a tire. So I had to have my tire patched, and then he had to do the right side too. So anyway, needless to say, the first probably week before I had the surgery, I could just it felt like my guts were falling out. So I pretty much been stuck on the couch. This after fact has been, this is the first time I ever had to have surgery, or any kind of a surgery like this. And I was not, even though I pulled my own teeth, I wasn't expecting this kind of pain. And I'm pretty much still stuck on the couch, probably for several more days. But anyway, I wanted to make this quick little video, let everybody know what was going on. So far, so good. To me, something still feels out of whack, but that just could, that could be because I don't know. I'll find out here in, beginning of next week. I have to go for my follow-up, so we'll see what's going on, if it's just my paranoia or whatever. But anyway, in the meantime, if you see this little right here, I'm pointing over here at this Z-Top Old Man Gamer, because I've basically just been pretty much the last couple, probably pushing 3 weeks on the couch, I broke out the PlayStation again. So anyway, I made some little clips here and there. I'm trying to, you get tired of just sitting here doing nothing. So I made some of that. It's another little channel. If you want to go check it out, I'll put the address to it down in the description area if you want to go check it out and give it a sub. But anyway, so you can see what I've been doing, because I obviously haven't been doing any scrapping, any refining, anything, because I'm not supposed to pick anything up, and I'm not supposed to do nothing but my little walk around, and I guess that's considered my exercise. And believe it or not, I haven't felt like doing anything. But anyway, guys, I wanted to keep you up to date, let you know what's going on. Y'all can see I've got my BYS hat on. Also below in all the videos, you'll see that I got several, not requests, but like emails and stuff like that about having hats or having whatever. So anyway, I've got a little merch bar down there. You can check it out. I don't know exactly how this stuff works and everything. I know when I used to buy a hat in the old days, it was $5-10. I guess inflation has got to everything, because these are like, I don't know, around 20. But anyway, whatever. If you're interested in getting something, pick it up. It'll help out the channel. And hopefully, Caleb, I'll get back on your silver refine. But right now, I'm pretty much stuck right where I'm at. So I'm going to be tinkering around, like I said, a little bit more with this channel. And because I enjoyed gaming, I enjoyed it when I was younger, but now I'm older, so it's an old man gaming channel. But anyway, guys, go check it out. I hope everybody's doing good out there. I'm sorry that we haven't been speeding up on these refines, but hey, I said it in a couple of, I said it I think even in the last video or in some of the comments that I'm almost caught up. Well, that just isn't how it's going to work for me. I guess I'm permanently never going to be caught up. But anyway, I'm going to quit babbling, let y'all get back at it. Like I said, I just wanted to let everybody know what was going on. So everybody take care, stay safe out there, and we will see you guys in the next video.